Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mac the Wanderer. We have Abhijit with us for today's match between MI versus SRH. We are doing a preview of today's match. Hi Abhijit, welcome
Hello
to our
everyone.
channel.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hello.
So let's start our preview with the Chennai pitch. What we are going to see tomorrow.
Chennai piece which we have seen in this edition, it is started spinning and spinning like in test matches. Your second or third day test match, so pitch started spinning in that particular Chennai pitch, which we are seeing in this edition. The spin which spinners are getting on that pitch, it gives me impression that like they are playing on the second or third day of a test match. Even in the last match, the ball was spinning along with the spin. Spinners are getting on the Chennai pitch. The pitch is also getting slower and slower, and that is the reason the slower bowlers are becoming more useful in this particular edition. So having bowlers who can do variation in their bowling speed and slower balls more, and with good control, will be able to extract much more benefits from this pitch.
Should Mumbai go with another spinner in form of Piyush Chawla?
They can go with Piyush Chawla, but the way Rahul Chahar performed in the last match, I think they won't replace Piyush Chawla with him. But what my view is, since there are 3-4 left-arm batsmen in SRH team, it will be useful if they select any genuine off spinner, so that he can spin the ball away from the left-hand spinner. That will give more balance to their bowling side, because currently there are only two spinners. One is Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya. Krunal Pandya is left-arm orthodox spinner, and Rahul Chahar is a leg spinner. So the ultimate effect of their bowling is one only. They are spinning the ball from leg stump to off stump. So if left-hander comes, it is easy for him to play those kind of bowlers. But if the ball is going from leg stump to off stump, it makes batsman's life little difficult. And since the pitch is spinning, then even finger spinners can extract spin on this kind of pitch.
True. I agree to this, because this is actually they should think about it, because if both bowlers are bringing ball from off stump to leg stump of left-handed batsman, it will be easy to hit over mid wicket or mid on. And likes of David Warner, I don't think he will spare any of the ball. He will hit them out of the ground straight away.
Definitely, David Warner has shown some hints of coming into the form, and if Mumbai don't dismiss him early, then he will be difficult to stop, and he can keep on hitting sixes and boundaries at his will. So taking early wickets will be crucial, but wicket of David Warner in particular will be most crucial and most important for Mumbai Indians. And along with this, what we discussed about spinners, they should also, if they are not going to ask Pollard to bowl, then they have one more option of Jimmy Nisham, who is an all-rounder, who can also bowl some swing bowling, and he's also good batsman, who's hard-hitting batsman. So Mumbai Indians can try him for one match also. Ideally, they should try him for 3-4 matches, but then Jimmy Nisham should be given chance to prove his mettle.
Do you think SRH will make life miserable for Mumbai with the likes of Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, Rashid Khan, Jason Holder, who can bowl at a slower pace? They have too many varieties with them.
Yeah, as far as Mumbai Indians batting department is concerned, their top order batsmen, especially Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock, they are not very good players against spin. If we observe, especially against leg spinner. Rohit Sharma's technique is not up to that mark. So so the SRH might start with Rashid Khan in the power play itself, because Indian batsmen, current Indian international batsmen, even Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, they are not able to pick up googlies bowled by leg spinners. This has been a trend for trend during England India tour as well. But then I think yes, the Rohit Sharma, Quinton de Kock, they are not good batsmen against spin. That is what my view is. And bringing the spinner right away in the power play, it will have two benefits. First is just we discussed that Rohit Sharma is not able to pick up the googlies bowled by leg spinners. That is one. And second, in the power play, these both batsmen like the ball come to these two batsmen like the ball come onto their bat, but with spin and slow speed, it will be harder for them to time the ball or hit the ball in the gaps.
So if I will ask you a question, which are the 4 players to look at today's match between MI versus Sunrisers Hyderabad?
MI versus Sunriser, one is David Warner, definitely, because he is coming in the form. Second, Johnny Bairstow. Ideally, Johnny Bairstow should open with David Warner. It is really a dangerous opening pair. If they start together, even in the couple of editions back, they both opened the inning and they were absolutely, I think they were the best opening pair in that edition. So I think Johnny Bairstow should get the chance to open the batting along with David Warner. And from Mumbai Indians side, as always, Rohit Sharma, he should, if he gets in, then he plays like a real hitman. No one can stop him, because the timing he has, the ease with which he hit the sixes, find the gaps. So Rohit Sharma is other player to look out for. And as far as bowling department is concerned, Jasprit Bumrah, he's a he will be the key player today, because even he has troubled David Warner many times in the past, even during test matches, one days, even in T20s also. So coming round the wicket to David Warner, it will be exciting to watch this battle between Jasprit Bumrah and David Warner.
That's all from our side on the preview of today's match between MI versus SRH. Thanks to all of you for watching our channel. We are really happy to see the people are watching our channel and supporting us. Thanks a lot. If you like the videos, please do click the like button, share, subscribe, and please comment on our videos and give your suggestions to us so we can improve much more better than what we are doing right now. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.